again on the beach. Last day. So Diane, I can see our dogs running on this beach together. Someday. It's very beautiful. I'm going inland in Oregon to some waterfalls. So that's on the agenda for later. But I'm just kind of walking on the beach today before I drive, saying goodbye to the beach. It's been an awesome experience. Just looking for little shells and things. Nice fresh air. We'll see you later. Here we are on our last day. I have my wonderful friend playing ukulele for me. Nice send-off. So sad to leave. On to the next adventure. Thank you! Well, I had to stop with my rig because we're going into this cute little town, Newport. Super friendly to vans and things, so we're just gonna kind of drive through and see what we can see. Here we are, we just had lunch, and now look at this cute little town. Look at these hills. It's right on the ocean. We're just kind of walking around, different shops. So pretty. Oh yeah, and then we got this little friend here. Our little seal friend. Cute. Never seen a Goodwill boutique on the Cape. So here's a pro tip. Go into the local Goodwills and you can usually find local t-shirts that say Oregon, Washington, whatever, wherever you are, instead of paying the tourist prices at normal stores. And we make different things with the t-shirts. So I'm gonna go in and check it out. Fancy. This is a Goodwill. Very interesting. Huh. This is a little high class Goodwill here. Very interesting. Okay, we're going into the forest. Let's see how many falls we do today. It says the Trail of the 10 Falls. Woo, nice. Woo, look at this. Fall foliage. Fall is coming. Got some water down here. Beautiful. Okay, so here's the first waterfall, North Falls. Right there. Gorgeous. Okay, here's another one of the falls. Gorgeous. I think this is called Upper North Falls. Nice. Okay, here we are. I think this is the Lower North Falls. Here's another one. Beautiful. And I think we get to go right through. Oh, Twin. No? Okay, I'm gonna walk. Here we go. Going in. Going in. Oh, so pretty. Isn't this neat? Going in, I got a duck because I'm tall. So there's these rocks right here. Whoa. Oh my gosh, so neat. So fun. Watch your step. Here we go. Okay, so here we are. Walking on the back end of the waterfall. You walk along this trail. Super cool. Oh my gosh, look at that. Amazing. Wow, wow. So here we are at another falls. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Wow. We get to walk next to it. Oh my gosh. We get to go under. Woo! Here we go. This is totally amazing. Wow. So amazing. Beautiful. And then see, it's like caves that you go into, the forest. So here I am behind the waterfall. Oh my goodness, so amazing. Gorgeous area. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Isn't that cool? I love how you can walk behind a waterfall. It's the funnest thing ever. Okay, trying to get my angle. See you later.